Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy PORT3 on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First, open your Binance apps and go to search box in the top here. And then you can search PORT3. And then you can see there is PORT3 on Alpha. You can click it. And this is the chart, guys. If you want to buy it, it's very easy. You can just simply click trade here, but if you want to check the details, you can click info in the top. You can see the volume, the market cap, and others. You can also check the audit here. And if you want to trade, you can just click trade here, and you can swap your token to PORT3 token. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.